If you love chocolate, then you are going to love this rich chocolate bundt cake that is filled with chocolate chips and can be topped with a decadent chocolate glaze. This chocolate bundt cake is made with chocolate cake mix and chocolate pudding and can be made in one bowl. It is the perfect recipe for any chocolate lover. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a large bowl of a hand or stand mixer, add 15.25 ounce chocolate cake mix, a 3.9 ounce chocolate pudding packet, water, vegetable oil, 3 large eggs, and sour cream. Using a paddle attachment of a stand mixer, start mixing the ingredients together until all of the ingredients are combined. Add in the chocolate chips. Feel free to substitute sugar-free chocolate chips or a mixture of semi-sweet, dark, or mini chocolate chips. Use a spatula and fold the chocolate chips in until they are covered. Prepare the bundt pan for baking by brushing on melted butter to the bundt pan, making sure to cover the entire pan. This method will help ensure that the bundt cake will come out easily and perfect every time. Sprinkle some flour on top of the melted butter in the bundt pan. Continue using the brush to apply the flour and use up any remaining butter and brush evenly onto the bundt pan. Pour the cake mixture around the bundt pan. If you are looking for more chocolate recipes, check out my chocolate playlist in the link above or the video description below. Use a spatula to spread the cake mixture around the bundt pan to make sure it is even. Bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for around 45 minutes. To make the chocolate glaze, add and sift confectioner sugar into a large bowl. Then sift the cocoa powders. Sifting these ingredients together will help break up any lumps to have a smooth glaze. Add warm water, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Whisk these ingredients together until they are combined. Depending on the consistency you would like this chocolate glaze to be, add more or less confectioner sugar or warm water to it. The measurements I have in the description box below seem to be the perfect consistency and was easy to apply to the bundt cake. Use a drizzle bottle or a small plastic sandwich bag with a small cut to one of the edges to drizzle this chocolate glaze over the bundt cake. This chocolate bundt cake is also amazing without the chocolate glaze too, but it just adds so much more flavor to it. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.